Okay, hi everyone. Today we are making winter white soap, which is this one here. I've already done it, so it is a soap I've been making I think for the last 3 years, and this one is very Christmassy. It's like a herbal, it's hard to describe because there's many notes in it. It's got sort of like eucalyptus, and then a sugary sweet, but not like bakery scent. It's got like a sweetness and then like a champagne note. So it's almost like a effervescent sort of a scent that sort of fizzes in the nose. You can kind of, get those champagne notes. So anyway, I've just done a plain soap and then I've forked over the top to get some texture. And then there's just a little bit of rosemary sprinkled on the top. I was going to use some juniper, but I think I did that in a soap not too long ago. So I thought I'll just do the rosemary because I want it sort of to look very simplistic and wintry, basically. So if you want to see how I made winter white, then stay tuned. It's not quite winter here yet. It's getting there, but it's, we haven't got those cold north winds blowing and we haven't got any snow. I think we've got some expected January, I've heard. I mean, who can predict? But we normally do get it after Christmas in this country. We used to get cold snaps sort of around Halloween and then it would get really cold. But obviously with climate change and whatnot, the temperature here is so much warmer than it was. And then we get into sort of New Year, so January, February. My birthday is 1st of February, and usually around my birthday it's bitterly cold. So we shall see if we get the snow, and if we do, it'd be nice. I do like to get the snow as long as we get a great big dumping of it. I don't really like little sprinkles are nice, but it's really nice when you can wake up and there's been like heavy snow. So anyway, let's get to making this. Okay, so this soap is just a pure white soap, so I'm going to put my titanium dioxide directly into my oils here. And stick blend it in before I add the lye. Okay, let's get ready to unmold the soap, and there will be some rosemary coming off of the top that we can just tidy up. Got some dimpling in the base and in the sides there. Should pick it up. Sometimes that's where bubbles are in the soap batter, I think. Not completely sure, but I think that's what that is. Just trim the edge. It's a lot easier to trim the edge if you've made a sort of plainish top. And I've got the texture tops there, it's quite hard to get that off actually. So again, I'm going to cut it with the rosemary facing me so we don't get drag marks through our soap. So just a plain white bar again, much like Snowdrift White, but completely different scent. To show you a few bars up close. So that is winter white. It will need a little trimming and tidying due to that stuff on the bottom, but that's okay. Definitely smells like Christmas. It's just a real fresh, outdoorsy sort of a scent. It's not exactly like herbal as in essential oil herbal, but it definitely smells like how do I explain? Like a winter, how you imagine winter berries and eucalyptus to smell, but with, yeah, something else. It's quite difficult to describe. And I'm normally quite good at describing scents, but this one, yeah, there's a lot of elements going in. There's almost like a clove note in there. So maybe a little Christmas spice mixed with berries and then that freshness of that champagne coming through. Très bon. So today, after we've done this, we have to go to the wholesaler because I've run out of some oils I need for my soap making and some other bits and pieces. And then for the rest of the day we'll be editing video, which takes quite a lot of time to sort through now. The lengths I go to for you to have a nice little relaxation. I am actually really enjoying the making of the videos that I'm doing lately, and I'm glad that so many of you feel the same. I've had one person moan like stink about the change and what a shame it was that I changed things, but I thought you're still getting pretty much everything you were getting before, and I think it's just a little better. It just feels a little nicer to show you a little bit more of the process and to make it a bit more of a relaxing experience. It's like things have to change. You can't just sort of stay stagnant forever and the same forever. I wanted to really use the kit that I've got to its full potential, and I wanted to create more, you know, and it gives me something. It makes me feel at peace when I'm doing these. So yeah, I shall continue and doing what makes me happy, and I'm really just so thrilled that you like it too. So thank you very much for all your lovely comments recently. It really means a lot. It really does. So there's Winter White. I will be back for the next soap. Still not quite sure which one I'm going to do next, so you should, oh God, get your words out. We shall see. So I will see you soon. Bye.